Okay, so you asked about number 3. So usually what I do is I organize my work based on the numbers and the bases. So keep in mind, this entire problem, all of it is multiplication. When a number is next to a variable, it means it's being multiplied. When parentheses are next to each other, it means they're being multiplied. We don't have to do the distributive property or anything like that. So typically the first thing I do is reorganize the information. I like to start with my numbers. So here we have -7 times 5. That's going to be the first part. And then from there, I look at each base. So remember, the base is the things that are being multiplied, they have exponents. So in this case, I have a. First, I have a to the 4th. And over here, remember when a base doesn't have an exponent, its exponent is 1. So that's a to the 1st. And because we're multiplying, we know we need to add the exponents. So then my next base is b. I have a b there and a b here. Again, when a base doesn't have an exponent, its exponent is 1. So I have b to the 1st plus 4. And then for my last base, I have c to the 3rd and c squared. So I have c to the 3 plus 2. And then all we do from here is we simplify this. So -7 times 5 is -35. A, we have 4 plus 1 is 5. B, we have 1 plus 4 is also 5. And C, and I swear this is just a coincidence, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now, if you're ever in doubt of what to do, don't forget you can always expand it out. So if I were to expand out this whole problem, I would have -7 times A times A times A times A, right? That's a to the 4th, times B times C times C times C, that's C to the 3rd, times 5 times A times B times B times B times B, so exciting, times C times C. And again, we're ending up doing the same thing. We have our -7 plus or times +5. That's our -35. We have a total of 5 A's, so that's a to the 5th. We have a total of 5 B's, so that's b to the 5th. And we have a total of 5 C's, that's c to the 5th. So again, these properties that we're learning this week are just shortcuts so that you don't have to write all that stuff out, but it works either way.